and welcome to Finextra TV. I'm Angelica Malin, coming to you from Sibos 2023 in Toronto. Today we're talking about Visa's investment in Form 3 and their partnership together. I'm joined by Michael Mueller from Form 3 and Darren Parslow from Visa Commercial Solutions. Thank you so much for joining me today.
Thanks for having us.
So we recently saw the news of a new strategic partnership between Form 3 and Visa. I'd love to hear more about this partnership and how it will be benefiting customers and the industry as a whole.
Sure. We've been working with Visa for a while on this, and we're really excited that we can finally talk about it and come to the market with this partnership. So we have published the fact that Visa has invested in our company, which is great, and I think shows the confidence and trust they have in us delivering payment technology. But more importantly, we've also decided to work together on a number of topics, and they are related to real-time payments, payments modernization, and fraud prevention. So it's a really exciting partnership that we have ahead of us here.
Do you want to tell me a little bit?
Yeah, well listen, Visa over the last 10 years has spent about $3 billion in AI and data infrastructure to make smarter, safer movement of money, and also to identify and prevent fraud. And we're really excited to partner with Form 3 on that identification, prevention of fraud, and also to leverage Form 3's cloud-based distribution system for us. We'll be combining our product solution sets, and I think it'll deliver a much better value proposition for our mutual clients.
Great. So we know that account-to-account payments and cloud technology are growing in the key markets. How will this partnership be addressing those things?
Well, first of all, banks just need better technology to process real-time payments in key markets. So volumes are growing fast. More and more markets are actually bringing out real-time payment technology, real-time settlement systems as well. We've just seen FedNow go live in the US. We're seeing PIX in Brazil growing exponentially. We are seeing many other markets around the world where real-time payments are becoming more important in the clearing settlement of these countries. So what we share, I think, is a belief in a multi-rail strategy, which basically means there is convergence, and banks work with cards, they work with real-time payment schemes, they work on legacy infrastructures as well. So our mission is to basically bring the technology to the banks that they can use to address these challenges, to process increasing amounts of payments, and to do this safely through fraud prevention technology that they can use to address things like push payment fraud.
Yeah, I would say Visa several years ago enhanced our strategy to really become what we call a network of networks. And we realized the growth of RTP systems around the world. What we've done is we've created kind of a buy, build, partner strategy, if you will, around value-added services for multi-rail environments. We've built things like RTP Prevent, which is a real-time scoring system for fraud in the account-to-account space. We've bought technology and capabilities through companies like Tink and Open Banking, Yellow Pepper and ALS and directories, Currency Cloud for international embedded finance and FX. And then, partnering with companies like Form 3 really rounds out that buy, build, partner strategy for the account-to-account space.
Another key area for payments is the fight against financial crime. What technologies are Form 3 and Visa bringing to financial institutions to reduce this risk?
Well, it's quite interesting for us. I don't come from the card world, and I've always looked at the card schemes as sort of the best practice when it comes to real-time fraud prevention. Every time you pay with your card, there's a massive process running in the background to ensure that that's not a fraudulent transaction. So what I find interesting about the Prevent product and the integration with our processing is that we will be able to use the fraud scoring that they can provide for account-to-account payments in the real-time payment flow whilst the payment is still in the bank. And that means we can actually prevent fraud before it actually happens by using the analytics that Visa can provide for that.
Yeah, so through the partnership, one of the things that was mentioned, we will contribute RTP Prevent, which is a product that was built to prevent account-to-account fraud and authorized push payment scams before they enter RTP flows, like was said. This is for push payment, for request to pay, for wallet to wallet, and it really, we think, it's based on RTP data combined with our card data, some proprietary fraud signals, and the combination of that, we think, really allows us to a much higher capture rate, and also to deliver that solution before it hits the flows.
Fantastic. Well, it sounds like it's going to be a very great partnership between the two of you. Thank you so much for your time today.
Thank you.
Thank you.